Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we're gonna be playing Alien Fishing Game, and joining me is my sister
Amira from Amira Studio Masood, and we're playing this Alien Fishing Game, and it's from Toy Story 4. It looks pretty cool, so let's just
try it out.
You know? So we're gonna put the box in there.
And I'm actually gonna be sitting on this one.
So it requires it comes with two fishing things like a claw. And this is what it looks like, the base. And inside it has little aliens, and we have to try to get it. So Mar, come on, get ready. So Mar's gonna be right there. So
3, 2, 1. Okay. Oh no.
There we go. Oh, and whoever has the most aliens at the end wins. Oh my gosh, no! Oh my god!
I got one.
Gosh! Guys, I don't know what's happening to me.
Got another one.
Wait, stop it for a second, guys. Something happened. We're having
Yeah. Yeah, and this just came off.
Oh my gosh, this is so cheap. I don't know what this is.
Yeah, well, this is like $10 or 40 more.
I don't know. Mark got this for his birthday, so.
Not my birthday.
Yes, you did. Remember?
Oh,
You got
yeah.
it for your birthday.
Oh yeah.
I can't get
Who
this
gave it
out.
to you? Who gave it to you?
I think Neil and Kala did.
Neelam Kala. Next time, give us a better
No. Samantha Gumani.
gift. Is it Samantha Gumani?
Yeah, Samantha Gumani.
Samantha
really
Gumani.
break it?
We don't know. We don't want no $10 gift.
Oh, I thought you. Guys, this is so bad. Like, look at this.
Okay, guys, let's restart that because something just happened. My claw got stuck and now it's broken. I don't know what's happening.
Yeah. Like, what happened? Mine started the first time. I don't know what happened to mine. Okay, got.
Okay, I think we have to super glue this. I don't know what's happening.
But there's like a hole they can like put it into.
Like, bruh.
Let me see. Let me see.
I think I got mine.
Hold the camera. Okay.
Fixing with Dad.
Hi.
Alright.
What is wrong? Oh, you broke it, Amira.
I know I
Push it too hard.
You know what? I'm gonna get the super glue.
Do we even have super glue?
Yes, we do.
But if you put super glue, then it's not gonna work. If you put super glue, it's gonna get fixed. That's how it works. Remember, if you push this thing, it opens the claw. But if you put the super glue here, it's not gonna work. Then it's not gonna move.
It's
Yeah.
It doesn't
Look.
really matter.
No, then if you put the super glue, how is it gonna move like that? Look, it's moving. If you
Oh, true.
see, so you push it hard, see, you open the claw.
Oh, I don't really want to open the claw.
So how you gonna catch the alien then?
Maybe I can just catch it.
How? You have to catch it with the claw.
Okay, fine, guys.
Or read the instruction.
No, it's fine. Well, okay, Dad recorded us, so. Okay,
I think I got
that
mine.
was
We
kind
just
of-
have to be gentle.
Okay, that was kind of a malfunction, but let's start another one.
Nope. Don't start another one.
It just malfunctioned. Oh, this one's upside down.
What are we doing? I just have to do mine. Whatever.
No, I don't want to get this stuck again.
And this one's back.
You know what? Okay, I got one alien.
Oh man.
Amar's not using this thingy because it's like basically just falling off, guys, and I don't know.
I got one.
Amar, you're like making that. Oh, I got one.
Got
Amar has-
one.
Okay.
Got another one.
Amar, can you stop like? Amar's cheating.
How am I cheating?
Guys, you keep using the cooking.
Got one.
You know, sometimes you just gotta cheat.
It's okay.
Got one. I got my.
Oh my gosh, guys, this has gone wrong.
You're like mine is stuck.
Amar,
Wait,
Guys, this has gone wrong. This is a fail.
Look, mine's my stuff.
So, what are your review about this game?
1. Like, seriously.
1 out of 10, 1 out of 5.
Actually, I give it a 4.
Out of
Could have
10?
been better.
I guess we have to restart the game all over
Look
again.
at, oh wait, where's the box? Look at these kids on the box. They're looking having fun.
They are lying. It's a marketing video. It's a marketing picture on it.
Yeah, but in real life, this is reality.
So reality versus marketing picture.
This is like not real. Look how fun these kids are having, and look how fun we're having.
0.
I think I got
So
my.
guys, that was a fail. Amar, do you still want to continue this video?
Yeah, but I think we have to restart it all over again.
Yeah, guys, I don't know what's happening to this alien game.
So,
I actually give it a 4 out of 5. It could have been better.
I give it a 2 out of 5.
Okay.
Well, that's all for today. This has gone wrong.
And guys, go see part 2 because we did a film on this one.
No, there's not going to be a part 2. Well, Amar, you want to say bye to your Dino Squad?
Bye.